Hello everyone. Good morning. True Zero Emissions here. We're going to charge these two lithium polymer, if I understand correctly, if I recall correctly, lithium polymer lithium polymer batteries wired in series. It's a 6-cell. That's what's powering the tiny LEDs on the scooter, tinyleds.com. So I'm using the negative energy oscillator to trickle charge this. It doesn't take long to charge it, a few hours. It's a slow charging process, but one question I have is, can it lower the internal resistance of the battery? Can we lower the internal resistance with an oscillator such as this? Now what's interesting when I read this, it says charges 1 to 48 volt batteries or higher depending on the input voltage. Here it says 1 to 15 volts input, half an amp max, turn down dial for higher voltage, turn down the dial for higher voltage. Oh, wow. Well, in that case, wait a second, turn down. I think of turning down as left, counterclockwise. Is that universally accepted as a turning down? So that makes me wonder on this one, since I don't need higher voltage. Wait, let me read this again. Oh, input. My input voltage, turn down dial for higher voltage. Oh yeah, we're not using higher than that. Oh yeah, we are. Yeah, this is, wait, this is 24. The volts of this is 20. Hang on. I'm tired right now, I apologize. 1 to 15 volts input. Okay, so we're talking about the input voltage. It sounds like if I'm putting more than that in, more voltage in than that, right? Let's say I'm putting more than 15 volts in. Turn dial down for higher voltage. So if I'm putting like 20 volts in, or maybe more, 30 volts, I would want to turn the dial down, I think it's not telling me clockwise or counterclockwise, but I think of down as being counterclockwise. So I think that means I would turn it to the left, counterclockwise, right? If I had a higher voltage going in. Well, I actually do. That's the power supply I'm using, which is low amperage. It's less than half an amp, but it's around 18 volts. So it's good that I have this turned down all the way. So I'll just leave that turned all the way down. That's how I've been using it. So I've been using it in a good way. Now I do have two of these. One of them is over here. And I'm going to do some experiments on the scooter, because as I said, everything I have is for experimentation. That means if it breaks, that was tuition, right? That's the cost of supplies. So, because this is the School of Experimentation. I'm going to try to make these videos short because I noticed I'm loading 4 videos right now that are about an hour long, and they've been loading for several days. So I'm going to try making the videos shorter and maybe a few minutes each, and hopefully that'll allow the video to load in the same day. Okay, so we'll go ahead and make a new video in a few minutes. So I'm just sharing what I'm doing. This is an update, and we'll keep going from here. That should go up over time. It should go up to 21.8 at some point in time. We'll keep an eye on that.